Good morning, students of class 7. Today I am going to teach you chapter 2 formulas and functions in Excel. In this chapter we have to overview of formulas, how to write formula in Microsoft Excel, equal to sign is essential. Before writing any formula you give equal to sign, then write expression and press enter button. Your result will be executed. Equal to 5 plus 2 into 3, it means it will give you 11. Now I am showing you the use of formulas. Here you see elements of formula are given: references, operators, constants, functions. References, a cell or range of cell that you want to use in a formula. The range of cell, how many cells contents result you want to find out, that you have to set in the cell reference. Operators, we have plus, minus, into. All these operators helps us to do mathematical calculation. Constants like number or text which do not change their value. Now functions predefined formulas in Excel, that I will show you how many functions are formulas are predefined formulas are given in the Microsoft Excel to do mathematical calculation. Okay, so elements of formulas in Microsoft Excel, pay attention. First of all, I told you equal to sign you have to put in the beginning to calculate any formula, any mathematical calculation. A2 is indicating A means column, in the A column and row number 2. In that position, whatever value is given, it will take that value. Plus B2, B column number, 2 row number, this into C4, C column number, 4 row number, minus sum. This is a formula of getting sum, addition. Here these cells references we have given, minus sum. In the bracket we have written E3 colon E5. Colon represents the range of cells. Okay, means E3 to E5, means E3, E4 and E5. All cells, colon represents all the cells, and now it will give mathematical expressions result. So now I am showing you with the help of Microsoft Excel. Pay attention here. First of all, this I told you this is called column, and D is a column heading. A2, A, B, C, D, these are the column headings, and 1, 2, 3, 4, these are the row headings. Okay, first you understand, suppose this highlighted cell is active cell at present, and we can see the cell reference of this one, C8. Here in the name box you see, in the name box C8. So we at present we have selected C8. So whatever content we will give, it will come in the C8. and whatever we have typed in the name box, that is also showing in the formula box. Okay, a simple calculation in the beginning I am showing you. You try to understand. Suppose here we have to evaluate in a single cell equal to sign first we have to give equal to 5 plus 2 into 3 2 into 3. Okay, so you see like this you have to type formula 5 plus 2 into 3. After this you press enter button, you will get result. Next, now suppose these numbers we have to find out sum of these numbers. So we have 2-3 ways to find out sum of these numbers. Please pay attention properly. First, I have told you give equal to sign and you write sum. This one is formula. Now after typing S, all formulas belongs to S. It's showing here sine, sin, small, sqrt, square root. All these types of formulas are available in Microsoft Excel related to S word. Okay, later. And now we will write here sum up bracket, open bracket, and we have to give the cell reference. So what is the first cell reference? We have to understand this. E, where is the first number? In column E and row 4. So this 5 is located at E4. Then we will write here E4, and I want range of sum of all these numbers. Then we have to put here colon, and the last number is 34. 34 is the position of in the column O and row 4. Understand this properly. We will write O4. Now close bracket and shift formula equal to sum. First number is 5, which is located at E4 cell reference, and last number 34, which is located at O4. Then press enter. If everything is okay, then it will give result, otherwise it will show a notification, wrong notification. So this formula is correct. It is giving 521. Yes, 521. It means you understood. And here we have 521, but in the formula bar it is showing formula of 521. How we have get this formula, this number addition? Second, one by one you type number. For example, here I am getting this equal to For example, only three numbers we are taking, 5, 54, 56. Suppose we are taking only these three numbers, then we have to write, we have to click on the numbers or write. Then first I am clicking on this number, then give plus sign, again click on this number, plus sign, and click on this number and press enter button. Okay, now see, 56, 54 plus 5, okay, 10, 5, 15, 5, 10, 11, 115. This is correct. And one more things I am telling you here, execute formula by pressing F2 button, F2 function key, you can edit the formula. I want only these two numbers, okay, means first number and last number sums we want only. For that we have to do one change. Instead of colon you give comma will give sum of, you see, O4 is active and E4 is active, then this will give result of only 34 plus 5, it means 39. Okay, like this we can add any two numbers. Edit the formula by pressing F2 button. Any two numbers calculation we can do. Suppose first number 5 and the K location 43 is there, so type here K4, then it will show 43 is there in the K4 location and plus 5, so it will be 48. I hope you understood how to do sum of numbers. Okay, next, cell reference. So understand cell reference properly. A reference identifies a cell or a range of cells. A single cell or a range of cells, a cell reference may be. So I have told you here, you pay attention. In this formula we have given E4 colon O4. This is an example of range of cell. We have given range of cell. The blue color it is indicated. And second, a single cell example I am giving you. You see in the formula EF4. This identifies a single cell in a worksheet and tells Excel where to look for values or data you want to use in formulas. So examples of cells reference are given here. First, cell in column B and row 2, column number B and row number 2, that you can write like this, B2. This range of cells in column A and row 1 through 20. In the row 1 to 20, it is telling column A. So I will bring column A and column A 1 to 20 here. Suppose if you are writing anything here and you are filling anything, suppose I am filling something here, 1 to 20, okay, means data, it is telling range A1 through 20, cell number till A20. Like this Many examples are given. Operators and their precedence. Here, an operator in Excel is a symbol that tells Excel to perform a specific operation. Which kind of specific operations? Mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, exponential. Any value we can evaluate. Exponent value we can get 3, exponent 3, 27, the result will come out. Multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. So these are operators, these are mathematical operators. You are aware with all this, but this may be new for you. This symbol is an exponent symbol. Okay, for example, next, the following rules apply to an Excel formula. So we have some rules that we have to follow, like mathematical calculation. We have to follow some rules in the Microsoft Excel formulas. It is just like mathematical formula, mathematical operations. Operations are carried out in the order to left to right. Okay, left to right. You have to follow order left to right. Any operations contained in bracket will be carried out first. Afterwards, any other exponent power if you have given. The following division and multiplication operation which are given equal of importance. Whichever operators appears first in the formula is carried out first. Which operators you have given first, that will be executed first of all. Examples are given here. 3 plus 6 into 2. Then rule is telling that it will calculate brackets work first of all, then it will multiply with 2. So 6 plus 3, 9 into 2 means 18. Same as 3 plus 6 into 2, then it first of all it will multiply with 2. Okay, 6 into 2, 12 plus 3, 15. Like this, all mathematical calculation we can do. Now we can enter a formula. How to enter a formula in Microsoft Excel, that I have shown you in the practical. First of all, we have to put equal sign, then we have to write mathematical expressions. Formula bar that there are two other buttons on the formula bar that get highlighted in the formula bar, namely enter button and cancel button. Here please pay attention. I have clicked here on suppose I am giving here equal to sign and click on this plus I have written plus in this position, not here. We have to write equal to sign, then E4 plus F4. So see formula, why not it is coming? E5, why it is coming? E I have written here somehow. Okay, delete this all, some mistakes may be there. Equal to E4 plus F4. Now see, both the cells are active. So our book is telling in the formula bar you will see two things are active here. Suppose one is cancel button and second is enter button. So if we have completed our work, then click on the enter button, and we can press enter from the keyboard also. Press enter button, we will get value. Otherwise, if any problem is in the formula, then press cancel button. Okay. So this is formula bar fx function, insert functions. If you will click here, then one dialog box will appear. In that dialog box, all mathematical functions you can see. If you will click all math and trigonometry related work, then click here math and trigonometry. So it will show you ABS, absolute value, all the mathematical formulas are written here, you see. Okay, so whichever is required, that we can take from there. Next, in the formula bar you understood enter button and cancel button. There are two ways to enter formulas in the worksheet. Two ways, using formula and direct. I have told you using the keyboard. Let us look at example. Example I have shown you already. Okay. The first, click on the cell where you want to total to be shown here in the cell F2. Suppose total if you want to show in F2, then click in the F2 and type equal to sign first of all, then write this expression, mathematical expression. B2 is the cell reference where value is stored, plus C2 plus D2 plus E2. Type this formula after equal to sign, then press enter button. Then you will see in the cell F2 these expressions result will come. Okay. Using mouse also. Okay students, video is becoming large, so I will teach you using the mouse in the next video. Thank you very much students.